Welcome. Today, we're going to explore how to search for a PDF in Gmail chat on your PC, especially with the new update. If you've ever needed to find an important document shared in a conversation, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to gmail.com. Make sure you're logged into your Gmail account to access all your chats and documents seamlessly. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by your inbox and a variety of features. Next, look for the grid of 9 dots next to your profile photo. This is Google's App Launcher, which allows you to access different services. Click on those 9 dots and a menu will appear. From this menu, select Chats. This will take you directly to the chat interface, where you can see all your ongoing conversations. This step is crucial for navigating to your chats. Now, in the left side menu, you'll see the option labeled Direct Messages. Click on it to view all your direct conversations. This is where you'll find one-on-one chats where PDFs are often shared. Once you're in the Direct Messages section, locate the specific chat where the PDF was shared and click on it. This will open that particular conversation, putting you in the right place to search. At the top of the chat window, you'll notice a search icon. Go ahead and click on that icon. This feature is designed to make it easier for you to find specific content within the chat. Now, type in relevant keywords related to the PDF you're looking for, whether it's the title of the document or a keyword from the conversation. Entering your search terms will help filter the results and pinpoint the PDF you need. And there you have it. You've successfully searched for a PDF in Gmail chat. With these simple steps, you can easily keep track of important documents shared in your conversations. Thanks for watching, and happy searching.